Hey everybody, and welcome to this tutorial from Tourstart.org. Today we are gonna go through how to install the Tourstart.org transfer. It's pretty basic. All you have to do is go into Tourstart.org main website, which we're on right now, and then you press this little button up here, and then you go into install, and you press download Tourstart Transfer. If you're running Windows 10, it's gonna pop up with a little action bar around here. And as soon as it's done, it's just gonna say open file. Let's press that one. Press yes to the little notice that comes up. Pick the language that you want to install in. For me, it's gonna be Danish, so it's gonna be okay from that. Press next, install. And when it's finalized, the installation, you can basically just press done and start it up. And then you're ready to transfer all the routes that you want to transfer from the site to your GPS. So yeah, that's how easy it is. Have a good one out there. Have a right-tastic time.